Hi love, today we are making Ofe Owerri. Yes, my mom said today you're going to prepare different delicacy for us before going back to Owerri. I was like, no problem, what do you want me to prepare for you guys? And she was like, she wanted us to make Ofe and I'm like, no wahala, your wish is my command. So at this point, this is the protein we'll be using, already seasoned and allowing it to cook. This is stockfish or more. I'm pre-cooking this one too. So this is our yam already cooked and then introduce this into the pot. In fact, let me reintroduce this soup again. I say this is Ofe Owerri. In case you don't know how to prepare it, just stay tuned and make sure you watch to the end because we're going to make something deli. So we are done introducing our yam into the pot, and this is our fresh pepper. There's something about this pepper. This pepper is so nice. It has this flavor that takes your stew, soup, whatever to a different, arena. So at this point, I'll be pounding the pepper and crayfish, and of course plenty crayfish, then introducing palm oil into the pot, and the aroma is already everywhere, honestly, at this point. So I literally turned it so that it doesn't get burnt underneath, and of course our cocoyam is fully cooked. And at this point I was like, okay, let's see how it goes. I introduced ogiri. This is ogiri. Yes, this is, I don't know if some of you know, this is local bean. It's important to add it because it gives you this local taste and different flavor entirely. So after adding the local bean, I still went ahead to introduce my fresh pepper and crayfish that I pounded earlier, and then we added our catfish, dried catfish. This is the dry fish we're using, dried catfish anyways, but you can use any fish of your choice aside fresh or ice fish. But some people use it anyways, but for me, no, I don't do that. So I got to wash it properly, make sure all the sand, all the dirt are properly gone, and of course you can see it's properly washed. So I'll get it introduced into the pot, then turn it, and was like, oh, the aroma. Everybody was like, this soup go make sense. I was like, watch now, I trust Owerri people sabi cook now. So after everything, I said, well, let's get our protein into the pot. Pwah! Oh my god, the soup was looking tolly. Oh my god, just take a look. I beg, the babe they cook. You see why they say if you don't get money, no even go start to dey cook Ofe Owerri, because this Ofe Owerri na for people wey get money. If you no get money for your account, no go cook am because e go become were soup, not Ofe Owerri. So guess what I'm introducing now? This is okazi. Yes, this is okazi leaf. After introducing our okazi leaf, guess the next ingredients is ugu. This is ugu. Of course, for you to get Ofe Owerri is okazi and ugu. These are the two vegetables we'll be using. So at this point, I have to stir, and everybody in the house was like, wow, this soup go make sense. So I said, yes, of course, from the aroma you can tell. So my god, even me when they cook this soup, I was salivating because this soup really makes sense. So this is my goodbye soup to my parents, and of course they really enjoyed it. They were like, wow. So this is the Ofe Owerri, and I was like, yes. And let me tell you guys, we are from Enugu, and my parents has never eaten Ofe Owerri. This is their first time of trying it, and they really enjoyed it. I tell you, because of course now hand wey sabi cook now, trust me now. What do you expect? What do you expect before uncle? What do you expect? Take a look at soup now. So guys, please, if you're watching this video and you're not liking, you're not commenting, you're not sharing, I beg, it's not fair. I beg, support this, at least for the hand we cook this soup. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, share, and a follow. Do one because it's not easy. Use that one, tell me well done. Thank you. Ciao. Watch out for our next upload. Mwah.